If you see 2 hours from ignition on in your Subaru vehicle, it doesn't mean that there is a problem. It's not a warning. It's the way of your Subaru vehicle to tell you that it's time to rest, time to have rest. So the older Subaru vehicles, they had a timer, and once you started your engine, they started counting. And once 2 hours passed, they could throw the message that you should rest 2 hours from ignition on, and you could see a coffee cup or whatever. And this message was pretty hard to interpret, so in newer Subaru cars, they changed it like take a break or something like that. But in older cars, you will still see these 2 hours from ignition on or 3 hours from ignition on, depending on what settings you have in your vehicle. So don't be afraid, this is not a problem, but actually you should have a rest. You should stop your car and walk around, because it's generally recommended to drive for 2 hours at a time and then take 15 minutes break. For your safety, to avoid sleeping behind the steering wheel. Now there is a way to turn this off if this alarm disturbs you from the road, from driving. You can turn it off or change the settings. But where the settings are depend on the Subaru model, so you will probably need to find it in the driver's manual. But anyway, there is the way to turn it off, turn it on, and maybe change the duration, like 2 hours, 3 hours, or 5 hours. To notify you that you need to take a break. Unfortunately, the internet is full of misinformation about this error message, and a lot of people tell you that this is the problem with the battery, problem with the brakes, problem with the software. This is not a problem, this is just the alarm warning that tells you that it's time to rest. Please don't overthink about it.